Welcome to Agentic English, where you take charge of your English journey. Fluency begins with small, consistent steps. Listen carefully, repeat with energy, and speak out loud. Own your voice. Use self-talk, shadow speakers, and focus on clarity. Day by day, you'll grow confident, and results will follow. This is your power, so stay committed, stay powerful. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon and share this with your friends who want to grow with you.
Hello friends. Hi, welcome back to Daily English with Irfan and Ilmi. In today's lesson, we will learn different ways to say "How are you?" in simple and natural English. These phrases will help you sound more friendly and more confident in daily conversations. Here are 10 easy ways to say it. 1. How are you? 2. How's it going? 3. How have you been? 4. What's up? 5. How are things? 6. How's everything? 7. Are you all right? 8. What's going on? 9. How's life? 10. How are you doing? Now, let's watch a simple conversation between Irfan and Ilmi using these phrases in a natural way. Hey Irfan, good morning. How's it going?
Hey Ilmi, I'm doing great, thanks. How are you doing?
I'm good. How have you been lately?
Pretty busy with work, but I'm okay. How are things with you?
Things are going well. Just enjoying the fresh air. By the way, what's up?
Haha, not much. Just relaxing. How's life treating you?
Not bad at all. You look tired though. Are you all right?
Yeah, just didn't sleep well, but I'm fine now. How's everything at home?
Everything's good. Thanks for asking. Now it's your turn. Try using these phrases with your friends and family. Practice a little every day, and your English will get better and better. Thank you for watching Daily English with Irfan and Ilmi. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.